Alright, so cool little tip. Take your asparagus and hold it towards the end, and then wherever it naturally snaps is where you're going to want to cut all of the asparagus. And obviously, don't forget to pour wine if you're low. Chop your tomatoes. Now add your favorite cooking oil, a little bit of salt and pepper. Now I put it on broil, and I put it on the bottom shelf. Oh yeah, make sure you pour more wine if you get low again. You use French bread, you can use Italian, any kind of fresh loaf will work. So cut the bread into about 1/2-inch slices. Again, use your favorite cooking oil here. Leave the asparagus and tomatoes in for about 10 minutes tops. You don't want to overcook them. You'd rather them still have a nice crunch and still have their shape. So next comes the garlic. I added 2 cloves, which I feel like was pretty generous. Make sure that you're finely mincing it. Add some balsamic. I don't measure, so just that amount. And honey, I would say it's probably to balsamic a 1:3 ratio. Salt and pepper. Stream in whatever oil you were using. Now add in your garlic. I'm going to julienne some basil. Julienning just means long ribbon. You take the leaves and you layer them on top of each other. And then you take all the leaves and you just roll them right up. And you have julienne basil. Add the tomatoes to the balsamic. Cut the asparagus on an angle in bite-sized pieces. I decided to use honey goat cheese, and you want a nice golden color on the crostini. And make sure to fill your wine if you're running low. So the amount that you want to spread onto the crostini is just as you would a bagel. And you want to think about how you're building your crostini. Have 4 bites. Each bite is going to be easy for them to eat. Now go ahead and add your tomato mixture and add your basil. And I like to add fresh cracked black pepper at the end just for a little bit of spice. And that's the finished product.